Good morning, it's Leanne Spencer of Body Shop Performance. Just want to share with you one of my favourite places to spend my time. And it's out here, as you can see, in the garden. So what you've got behind you there is the bench where I meditate. Here, I've got all the raised beds where I'm growing various different vegetables. So we've actually got quite a lot going on in there, and over the last year and a half we've had lettuce, cucumbers, tomatoes, kale, beetroots, potatoes, a whole range of different vegetables. And it's so critical for well-being, I think, being outside, but particularly in the garden. You're moving the body, you're being out in fresh air, you're interacting with nature, you're earthing on the ground. You know, ideally I garden in bare feet, and of course I'm eating my own homegrown vegetables. So these are unadulterated by herbicides or pesticides. They are about as pure as you're going to get. I grow them in organic soil with organic manure, and it's amazing to go over there from the kitchen, come outside, pull a vegetable out of the ground and eat it half an hour later. It's extraordinarily good for well-being. So my simple little takeaway message from this video is get outside as often as you can, but think about gardening. You don't need a lot of space. You can have potatoes growing in a pot or a bucket. You could just have one small bed that you dedicate out to vegetables, or growing fruits. Actually, that tree over there that you can see, that's actually a plum tree. There's a tree down there, there's a cherry tree. So you don't need a huge amount of space, but the benefits you get from being outside and eating organic, very, very locally sourced produce is huge, and you'll feel it as well. And you get a little spot for yourself like I have over there where you can meditate. There's a little cat there. That's also incredibly good for well-being. So get outside, interact with nature, grow your own stuff, enjoy the benefits. Thanks for watching.